welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Rocio and I post new videos every Tuesday. In today's video, I wanted to do a quick little drugstore makeup tutorial for you all just because makeup is so expensive. Honestly, like, I don't usually buy products. As you guys know from watching my videos, I've been using the same translucent powder, the same primer, the same highlighting things in like all of my videos. It's very hard to go out and buy products constantly to create videos. So I wanna show you guys a quick, affordable way. You can honestly get any of these products at Target, Walgreens, Walmart, you name it. They're very cheap, and honestly, I love how my makeup turned out, so I'm gonna say they're good quality. I will try to actually do a review on each of these products, specifically on my beauty Instagram, so be sure to keep up with that. All of my social media links are linked down below if you guys do want to follow me and keep up with me on other social media platforms. Now, I will be linking all of the products that I used down below. Basically, this is the look. So if you want to see how to create this look and hear me talk about a couple of these drugstore makeup products, just keep on watching. All right, let's get started. First things first, please ignore my crazy hair, but we're just gonna ignore that. We're here to do our makeup. So it is seriously so possible to create a good soft glam or natural look, even some creative colorful ones. I'm just saying soft glam because that's kind of what I want to do today in this video, but it is so possible to do any look with drugstore makeup products. So this was honestly pretty cheap. I spent around $45 for all of this stuff. I'm genuinely excited because I haven't tried any of these products before, so it's kind of like a first-hand experience, little mini review slash drugstore product makeup tutorial. So first thing I'm gonna start off with is primer. Obviously, I've already cleansed my skin, did my moisturizing, everything. I went in with some tinted sunscreen. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the Milani Prime Light Face Primer. It's a strobing effect, oil-free face primer. Oh, it's like sparkly. You guys won't really be able to see on camera, but it has like a little sparkle effect to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm hoping that this will still minimize my pores. That is on. I'm getting a little bit of like a glow feel. Now for foundation, I went ahead and picked up the e.l.f. Eyes, Lips, Face Flawless Finish Foundation. This is in the color Linen. It's a medium with golden undertones. I tan kind of like a golden orangey color, but let's see, I hope this color goes well. It looks kind of similar to my other foundation colors, so I hope so. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I love that it has this little pumping thing here. Okay, one thing about it is that it feels kind of like a whipped consistency, if that makes sense. So in terms of coverage, I think I'm gonna give this foundation a 7.5 out of 10. Almost 8 just because it's a medium coverage, but as I layer on more, I feel like it's not covering as much. Another thing is that also this is a lot lighter in comparison to my body, so it is gonna look a little weird. And another thing I don't enjoy about this foundation too much is that there's a sort of scent to it. In terms of feel, it doesn't feel heavy. Also, update on this little primer. My nose. Oh my gosh. It's like my pores on my nose are gone. Like, hello? I like this. This is like a 9.5. I wanted to try something a little different. So I got the NYX Wonder Stick. This is the highlight and contour stick. This is in the color Universal. So one side has the concealer and the other side has the contour. So let's try this out because these colors also look a little light. Oh, it's a highlight and contour stick.
I thought this would like be like a concealer.
Oh honey, that is not, okay.
My bad, y'all.
I'm gonna go in with the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline New York. This is in the color Light Pale. I remember this color was way too light for me, but it's literally the only other drugstore concealer that I have. Now I'm gonna try and do the contour with the contour stick side. It's like a lighter brown than what I would normally use, but we will see. Oh, I like this. It goes on very smooth. Let's see how it blends. But this just blends out very nicely. Now I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus Translucent Powder. So before I blend this out, let me tell you about how it applies. It feels a little heavier than the No. 7 translucent powder that I usually use. It also feels like the color, it's not as translucent as the other one that I have. Now, I don't have a concealer or a primer for on top of my eyes. The other drugstore primer that I had, I ran out of. So I'm gonna go in with the Adria One concealer again and just put like a tiny bit on top of my eyelids. Now, this isn't usually how I would do it. For today's look, I kind of want to do a soft glam, but a soft glam that's kind of going from summer into fall. We're literally at the end of August, which is crazy to me because this year has flown by and I feel like I did nothing. So I kind of want to do like a transition summer into fall. So I got the NYX Ultimate Edit Petite Shadow Palette, and it has some warmer summer colors here, but then it starts going into a darker fall. Okay, so I think I want to start off with this pinkish color right here, and I'm gonna use that all over my lid just as a base color. So I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay brush. This came with the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. Oh wow, the pigment on this is really nice.
My camera's about to die.
So I'm blending it on the outer crease, bringing this in towards my inner corner. Alright, and I think I'm gonna go in with this darker pink here. It's like a pinkish red, and kind of do that in the outer corner, bringing it in a little bit towards my crease. And I'm just using this brush that I got on eBay. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Fluffy brush again and just blend everything together. So I basically ended up doing the same thing that I did with the lighter pink. Now I do want to go in with this purple color here, and I really put that into my outer corner right here. I'm not too worried about how it first comes out, just because I go in and fix things later. So I really just get the color on in there, blend everything together, and then do some touch-ups. I'm gonna take a little bit of this concealer and try and put it right here in this inner corner lid area. I'm gonna go in with a flat facing brush and put in a little bit of this pink again towards my inner lid, just a little bit. Kind of have the colors start blending in together a little more. Okay, so I kind of want to do like a halo eye look right in the middle. So I'm gonna take my concealer again, but this time just apply it right here in the middle. And still using the same flat facing brush, I'm gonna take this golden yellow color right here. And just place that right here in the middle. And I know it looks like a harsh line, but I'm gonna go in and blend this in just a second. And I'm gonna touch up the pink right here in the inner corner. So the same purple color right here. I'm gonna go in right underneath. And last thing I'm gonna take is this orangey pink color. It's more of a shimmer, and I'm gonna use that in my inner corner. Okay, and now I'm gonna do some final touches. Now I'm gonna use my e.l.f. black pencil liner, and I'm just gonna tight line my eyes and a little bit on my lower lash line, but just halfway. So it's the Maybelline New York Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express Mascara. So I'm gonna try using this one. I kind of want to go in with, it's also by Maybelline New York, the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera just because my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna charge it while I do that, and then I'll be back here to show you guys how I'm gonna contour and all that good stuff. So this is the finished eye look. A little bit of a gold halo eye. This is more like a sunset type look. One thing though, I look very pale, and so I kind of look like a zombie right now. Okay, so I actually didn't get to get a powdered bronzer to like contour with. So I do have the New York Color Wheel and then a Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder. These are both very old. I think I got these at like Walmart a while back. I think I'm gonna go in with the bronzing face powder, the smooth skin one. This is in the color Sunny. So we're gonna try using this one. Now because my face is still so white, I am gonna try using the color wheel for a little bit of color just cause I think the bronzer itself, the other one, was a little too dark to put around my whole face. But this might give me some color. Now that I'm a little bit more bronzed up, I'm gonna go back in with the NYX Smooth Skin one and finish contouring. I forgot to do my brows in the beginning of this video, so I'm gonna go ahead with the Maybelline New York Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. This is in the color Medium Brown. Now, I couldn't find an eyebrow gel at Target that I really liked, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and go in with the M Cosmetics Clear Brow Gel. So I might go with this one right here. It is the Blossom Time Rose. It's the powder blush by Milani. Now, as for highlight, I am gonna spritz my face with a little bit of rose water just to prep it a little, and then I'm gonna go in. I couldn't find a new one either yesterday. I'm just gonna use my L'Oreal Paris True Match LUMI Powder Highlighter. This is in the color Rose. I'm actually gonna highlight under my brow bone with a little bit of the gold color, just to kind of keep the same color theme going. Since I did such a dark eyeshadow look, I don't want to take away from that, so I think I'm going to go in with more of a nude lip color. So I think I'm going to go in with the Toffee to Be L'Oreal Color Rich lip liner, and I'm just going to go in a little bit. Now I have my NYX lipstick right here. This is in the color Tea Rose, and I'm just going to put in a little bit in the inner parts of my lips. Now, the last product that I'm gonna be trying out is the Wet n Wild Photofocus Natural Finish Setting Spray. So this is the finished look with all of my drugstore products. Honestly, I'm in love with this eyeshadow and how it came out. It looks like I used such a good palette, and this NYX palette is actually so pigmented and so nice. I recommend this. The color just pops. It's just out there. Like, you guys can literally see for yourselves how nice the colors are. Overall, I really enjoyed using all of these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial slash drugstore makeup review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell to be notified when I do post more videos. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye.